Alright, big up on yourself, people. I don't know. We'll discuss the Reggae Girlz. We have a big match coming up later. Paraguay. And, I do a watch along for the game there. Look out for it as well. So Jamaica, we're trying to qualify for the Gold Cup, and apparently we can't field out a strong 11 solely because the Reggae Girlz have been suspended. Now when you hear the Reggae Girlz have been suspended, automatically, JFF this way. Yeah, people, let me tell you something, people. There's a lot of things going on in recent times. There's a lot of things going on, especially in the backroom aspects of where football is concerned for Jamaica. And there's a lot of political pull. And me already tell them, I like discuss it. That's the reason, especially the Reggae Girlz, have stayed so far away. Because people, I'm going to be honest with you, most of the things that you guys are seeing are not the reality of what is happening. They're not the reality of what's happening. The things that have been put out there, there are some underlying agendas by multiple parties who are trying to disrupt, or should I say, get their own way in how things are being done or things are being dealt with in the organization. Yes, we know that the JFF have been doing a lot of foolishness for many years now. Yes, we know that majority of Jamaica want the JFF to go. But sometimes people make us say sometimes reading and understanding is fundamental, people. It's very, very fundamental. People, the information is out there. Please, when you listen or you read information, read it or listen with understanding, and you get a better insight on what's happening. Very, very crucial. Extremely crucial. Anyways, so today is the first day we're going to kick off the Gold Cup qualifiers, and honestly, I'm not confident. When we have a first team, we don't play good football. That's the first of all. I do know that this is a big task for Xavier Gilbert, a huge task for Xavier Gilbert. Tentatively, I really want to see what he's going to do. I want to see what's going to happen. Now, the thing is that if Xavier Gilbert should get a battering from Paraguay, he's going to be one who they're going to say put that show under the bus. And when you really look into the squad technically is not the best. It's not the best squad. It's not the best squad. And I'm being honest, it's not the best squad. It's under par. It's subpar, I should say, where quality is concerned. A lot of youngsters getting to showcase their qualities or getting an opportunity. So that's a big positive. But the aspect, I don't expect a lot. I just want us to go out there and give a good showing of ourselves. I'm not saying that we're going to beat them up or anything. I just want us to go out there and give a really good showing of ourselves and not get battered. Literally, not get battered. But it's very, very interesting, people. It's really, really interesting to see what is being unfolded in front of my eyes. And I'm watching, and the reason why it's interesting to me is because I have a lot of information and I know a lot of stuff. So I'm looking at a lot of different entities having discussions about the situation, and even seeing AC Milan coming out and saying they're standing with the girls. I'm like, oh, interesting. I am saying interesting. For me personally, I stand with no one except football for Jamaica. That's what I stand with. And if you should ask me, I do believe that both entities, the JFF and the Reggae Girlz, are putting their self-interest, in front of the country's interest. And for me, that's a no-no. People are going to say MJ a fool, she said a chat. Think about it. I want to think about it. The Reggae Girlz pulling from the squad. Who's going to feel it the most? Is it the Reggae Girlz? No, they're away with their clubs playing their football. And the clubs is the one who paid them, so they're good. They're still getting their pay. They're still getting their compensation. The JFF now, who their ego stands strong in front of them, who's at the fault? You think they're going to feel it? The JFF comprised of the decision makers are maybe like about 30, say 20 persons. Think about it. So that's the Reggae Girlz versus 20 persons against the entire nation and the diaspora. That's roughly about footballing followers. That's roughly about 2.something million footballing followers. Or maybe say 1 million compared to the Reggae Girlz people who just weigh the balance. The Reggae Girlz and the JFF, so 20 JFF member and maybe say 60 Reggae Girlz. I'm in full support of the team that is going out tonight. 100% support of that team that's going out tonight, because I want to see what they can do. And for me personally, I'm disappointed with how things went down. I'm disappointed with the JFF. I'm disappointed with the Reggae Girlz, because at the end of the day, everyone wants money, it seems. And from what I know, people, no, I'm never gonna say it. I'm never gonna say it. But greed is a full-fledged force of what is happening right now. You can't get up every day because people say they're greedy, and you in turn around and show the same characteristics there. Anyways, people, I do expect something good from us. I'm not gonna say we're gonna win. I think we're gonna lose. It's not the best squad. I hope for a win. My heart is saying that we can get a draw or we can nick it. But realistically, my head, which is the thinking part, which actually the sense part, so we might lose maybe 2-0 or maybe 3-1, something of that nature. I'm hopeful though that at least we gave a good account of ourselves. Anyways, I won't go any further, people. Please do smash the like button, hit the subscribe button if you're here for the first time, and I'll see you guys again. Until next time, MG Sports TV, people. I'm out. Boom. Tell me your score predictions in the comment section, people. Big up yourself.